Thanks for joining me. We're just gonna do a little hill climb here. Where are you going with the camera there, buddy? Get that back on track. There we go. Taking this hill here in first gear, overdrive, with all 3 axles locked up and 2 sets of chains on. It's actually pretty steep and slippery. But yeah, that's we were eventually doing that. I was hitting it at about 50 or 60 kilometers an hour and skip a couple gears, put it in third at the top, and usually carry it over. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed.